Hey there guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I have a little bit of a more difficult video, but it's well worth it, and I hope you stay tuned to see how to make this very traditional German dish. You want to start out with some warm milk, and you want to crumble your yeast into that. Then you want to add some sugar and mix that together a little bit, and then let that sit for 15 minutes in a warm spot. Meanwhile, you want to take a bowl and you want to place your flour into it. You want to melt your butter, and then also get the peel of the lemon. And then you want to add both of these things to the flour, as well as some almond flavor and some curd. And then you want to add in the yeast mixture and also the sugar. I forgot to show that. And then you want to mix it first a little bit, and then you want to go in with your hands and knead the dough. When you're done with that, you want to let that rest in a warm spot for an hour so it can rise. Meanwhile, you want to take your marzipan and you want to add your pistachios, which are ground, and then also your rum or whatever you're using. And then again, you want to knead that into a dough. Now this is a little bit of a sticky mess, but well worth it, as I said. Then you want to take 2 sheets of baking paper, and in between those 2 sheets, you want to roll out this pistachio mixture. This is much easier if you have someone to help you, but you just have to figure out a way that works for you. You want to roll it out in a size that will be good for the pan you're using. Then you want to take your dough and you want to roll it out to exactly the same size if you can, and you want to make sure that it's the right size for your baking tin. Now you want to put the pistachios onto your normal dough. You can see the dough is a little bit bigger, but that's not a big problem. And then you want to start rolling from both sides so you get the traditional shape. Then you want to place it in your baking tin, and you can see that mine is a little bit too big, but that's not a problem. You can just cut off at the ends there, and I just baked these as if they were like cinnamon rolls. So I just put them in the oven as well, and I just took them out earlier. So you want to bake this with 170 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. When it's right out of the oven, you want to put some melted butter right on top and let that sink in. And when it's cooled down completely, you can go ahead and add your powdered sugar on top to give it the very traditional look of Stollen. So this is how you do it. This is a very basic, very simple version, but it still tastes really good. I was so surprised. I really like this. I hope you try it, even though it's a lot of work. And yeah, if you do, let me know, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!